AEG is the European Students' Forum. In close to 200 university cities in 40 countries all over the European continent, we promote cooperation, communication and integration amongst young people.
To raise awareness for the situation of local refugees and the topic of integration, we organized a charity Christmas concert.
To realize such an event, we cooperated with several local partners, like the University of Applied Sciences here in Osnabrück.
To bring people from different cultural backgrounds together, we invited several bands to play for us and offered a variety of international food and drinks.
We didn't only want to focus on human rights, like equal treatment and the right for education. In our vision, it's more about friendship and becoming part of a social network.
The Charity Christmas Concert Live has been a big success due to all contributors that helped out a lot, the AEG members and many more. We were over 200 guests that evening, and that's how we made integration real.